Hi, I'm Lauren for Family Handyman, and today I'm showing you how to use a jigsaw.
Although it varies by saw, there are some common components of a jigsaw. First is the blade. Second is a variable speed control. There's a lock-on button as well as the trigger. In addition, there is a saw base and an orbital adjustment knob. Always unplug your saw when the saw is not in use and when you're making any adjustments to any portions of the saw. When operating a jigsaw, it is important to have appropriate ear, eye, and respiratory protection available. To remove and insert a new blade, what you'll need to do is turn the blade support roller to release the lock, and then pull the old blade directly out. To insert a new blade, you'll just turn that blade support roller again, place the blade in the middle. There's a slight indentation there. Place it in, push the blade all the way in, and then release that lock lever. Before cutting, always secure material directly to a work surface to ensure that your material is secure. Place the jigsaw base on top of the material. You don't want the blade to touch the wood completely until it's up to full speed. Once it hits full speed, then you can press and push, gently guiding the saw as it cuts. The jigsaw is an excellent tool for making curved cuts as well. Simply etch out the cutting guide that you want and then make the cut with your jigsaw. Place the base of the jigsaw on top of the material, making sure that your blade is not touching the material. Hit your trigger until the blade is at full speed and then move along your line. If you want to create bevel cuts with your jigsaw, release the base lock and then adjust the base either to the left or to the right up to 45 degrees. Once you have your desired angle, place the lock back and you're ready to make a bevel cut.
That's how you use a jigsaw. Visit familyhandyman.com for more tips, tricks, and ideas.